Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Letchworth Middle School, home of the legends in Gainesville, New York. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time with the students and staff, grades 5 through 8, right here in the auditorium. Beautiful afternoon, just amazing. Had a lineup of students afterwards, people that wanted to share their heart with me, even some of the teachers too. And it was just incredible, you know, that we had a lot of heart moments, and the focus today, the sub-theme was look at the heart first, right? The primary topic was bullying, but I really want to focus more on seeing somebody for this before anything else. And our heart is as big as our fist, right? So if we can let love, compassion, peace, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign, where one finger is yourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself by how you choose to treat them, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because just 2 seconds, 1, 2. One breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action. 2 seconds, we can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever. Or conversely, say something so negative and mean that it stays on their heart in a very destructive way for the rest of their life. So we have this ability to uplift or tear down. And like you see right here, one of the slides from the presentation, that it all comes back to the heart. That if we're able to look at someone's heart first, I don't think bullying even happens or exists, right? Because all that matters is what's in here. Just like your true friends, just like your best friends. And we know that bullying is a repeated action. It happens over and over and over again on purpose to get power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions, those one-time words, can still do the same amount of damage or repair, depending on if we're doing it in a positive way or in a negative one. And so, you know, we always have these opportunities to keep growing, to keep learning, and we obviously can learn and grow from each other. And if we can open our hearts to others, even though they're different than us, maybe they're born different, walk different, talk different, see different, hear different, learn different, different skin color, we still have a choice to be able to see them as human beings before anything else, to include them, to really have that empathy for one another. And that starts with understanding our worth and value, seeing it in ourselves and others too. All of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. I trace one of mine here. Bring this up in every assembly because it's so important to me. But like the front of my shirt that says miracle, this M stands for miracle. And we have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it with the lines on your palm. Upside down though, W is for worthy. And we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it, but we have to believe this, right? We have to buy into this, because a lot of people I speak to and have never been told that, or they don't believe it, right? And we can be that light to their heart if we choose to. It means we also have to get past some of our current hurt, past hurt, eventually in the future hurt. And we know bullying, the big reason it happens is because hurt people. But healed people also heal people. And we can be those healed people, right? That really step into, you know, showing others the same kindness that was shown to us. To rise above the hate, to be able to forgive, to show love. It's not easy. It's easier to push the pain on someone else, right? Make them kind of feel how we feel. But if we're able to hopefully choose the opportunity for love each and every day, kindness, you know, we start making this world a lot better place. And this world needs a lot more kindness for sure. But thank you so much for touching my heart. It was a beautiful afternoon. Had a great time getting to meet all of you. Hope to be back in the future to keep building on what we spoke about today. But until then, have a great rest of the school year. Really try to focus on some of the life lessons that we talked about today, putting them into your life and into practice. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.